This is a crash course on using FindMore search engine. FindMore is NUS Libraries' equivalent of Google. While Google searches the internet, FindMore searches everything in NUS Libraries' collection of resources, including paid books and journal subscriptions that are not indexed and not discovered in Google. So how can you access FindMore? The first thing you need to do is to go to the library portal page. Go to the address bar on top of your browser and type lib.nus.edu.sg, hit enter, and here is the library portal. Right smack in the middle of this page, you see the FindMore search engine. You notice there is FindMore, FindMore New, and other tabs on top and bottom of this boxy thing. We will use FindMore New. Type your keywords that you need. For me, I decide to look for hand-foot-mouth disease in Singapore and public health, and then I hit enter. A new page will appear and this is what you'll see. Here is a books and e-resources box, which is what we need. The other box you see on the right, the Scholar Bank and NUS box, it shows the results of NUS thesis in our university repository called Scholar Bank. Scroll down further and you see this box called Digital Gems on the left. That is a special collection of our physical resources scanned and digitized. And on the right, you see UNO, that shows concepts linked in the spiderweb sort of connection. As we are interested in only books and e-resources, scroll back to the bottom of the books and e-resources box and click on More Results. Now you see all the results for books and e-resources only. This is also what you will see immediately if you use FindMore to search instead of using FindMore New. In the center of the page are results sorted by relevance. Click on the title hyperlinked in blue and it leads you directly to the resource. You need to log in using NUSnet ID and password to access the article. If you are on campus or somewhat already logged in, just click here. If not, fill in the fields below to log in. Back to FindMore results. Over here, click on the author's name and it will perform a search in FindMore on items by this author. This result tells you that it is an online journal, pretty straightforward. If you click on the underlined full text article, it is the same as clicking on the title and leads you to the resource itself. If you move down to result number 3, sometimes the library has more than one resource of the same thing, and here you can access this online journal article in 3 ways: article PDF, full text, or browsing. Browsing can sometimes be problematic. You may ask, what is this fancy circle on the bottom right? That is the Altmetrics attention score of the result. Altmetrics is a bibliometric for researchers to measure the reach and impact of their research work through online interactions. It is more useful for people doing research full-time. On the top right of the result, you see that there are some actions you can perform. You can save this result using a permanent URL, cite the result, email the result, save the result, or export its reference file for reference management. On the left of the page is the gray filter panel for you to narrow results down. For example, if you want to find books but all you see here are online journals and there are 1,934 results, it is not easy. Go under Content Type, click on Book, eBook, and the results are filtered down to 8, and now you can easily find ebooks. To access this ebook here, just click on its title or full text online to access. You can also filter the results by publication date, location, and many others, and reset the filters if you need. Click on More to show the expanded list of filter options. If you scroll down further to result number 4, you see a book result. Click on the title to find out more info, which is actually the same as what you can see listed here at the book available information. Available at medical library, call number so and so. You have to make a trip down to the library to borrow the book. Last but not least, you can add results beyond the library collection by checking this tick box, and now there are 56 results on ebooks or books. Click on Check Availability to see how to get hold of results that are not part of our library's collection, for example over here. If you see result number 17, This icon shows an open access, which means that the article is available online for free, but sometimes it is not the case. For example, if we go to result number 21, this is about the Kingdom of Siam. I click on Check Availability and this window pops up. The options for what you can do are listed here. Any questions? Just contact askalib@nus.edu.sg. That's all for now. My name is Lindia. Thanks for watching.